So, hello guys, welcome to
Dad
and Mad. Now today we have a very big and special piece of mail, and I think it'll be arriving just about any minute now.
Wow. Look at this.
Thanks.
What's that say on the front of the box?
Advanblack.
Advanblack. Oh wow. Where's me knife?
That puts a whole other meaning to dropping it off. Did you get it?
Dropping it off.
Yeah. What is in here?
Oh my goodness gracious.
What is it?
Should we put it on the floor so we can see more?
Yeah.
Alright. Stand by.
Wait, you could do a thing that's saying sometime later.
Later. I can put your little later in, couldn't I?
Oh yeah. Later. So.
Here we
Shall
go.
we see what this is?
Let's see what it is.
Is it fragile or not? Can I touch it?
Yeah. Oh. What is it?
Ooh. What's that?
It's a roll of Velcro. Ooh, Maddie.
What is it?
These are
Is it a saddle?
kind of. These are Saddlebag liners.
Oh, so like when you, is it for those things on the side of the new bike?
Exactly. Look at those. Ooh.
Well, I like the pattern.
You like that?
Yeah.
You gotta have that orange in here, that Dad and Mad orange. Eh?
Yeah. It used to
Wow.
just be black and white, but we changed it so black, white and orange.
Yeah. That is. What do you think of the quality? You feel?
Oh.
That stitching's nice, eh?
It's not just a, oh, I'll just do this in like a minute. It was like, that must have took days. Some people were just like, let me do this for an hour.
I would imagine it's machine done, not hand done. But
yeah,
they look fantastic. They're gonna be nice
still.
when you put your camera gear and stuff in the saddlebag.
Oh yeah.
Nice bit of added protection.
Mm.
Yes.
A genre.
Wow.
Wait, what's the Velcro for?
The Velcro, so you put the tape around the inside of the saddlebag, and then it sticks to the side of here. You see?
Oh. Velcro sticks to that?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you put that tape around the inside of the saddlebag, around the rim.
Ooh.
We'll put a link to maybe an installation video on Advanblack's page, so you can see if they got one for this. We'll see. We'll put a link to Advanblack's page anyway, regardless.
Anywhere.
But probably won't do a how-to on this because you literally just put the tape around the inside of the saddlebag and then slip them in. But we will show you the finished result. Shall we see what else is in here?
Yeah.
Come on then. Thank you. Thank you, Advanblack. Boom, boom, boom.
Whoa, wait, what's that?
What is it? Should we find out?
I think we're supposed to turn it over. Whoa. What's that?
It's a new backrest for you.
Wait, what?
It's a new backrest for the tour pack.
But I thought that was the one.
We have got one on there, but this is a new one.
This looks comfy, to be honest.
Feel that there?
Whoa.
Look at that pipe in as well. Should we get this foam out of the way? Move the foam out of the way for me.
Sorry, phone. Whoa. Wait, that looks. Ooh, that's nice. If you have the same bike as Dad, and you like have someone riding on the back, definitely get this.
You can get different colour stitching as well.
Like if your main theme is like purple.
This one is the Cobra, but they do a raptor and a diamond stitch as well.
What's the raptor one?
Sounds cool, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Cobra's nice though. But they do a raptor and...
Is it kind of like, it's kind of like a snake?
Yeah. It's like a honeycomb, but it's like a snake skin kind of deal, isn't it?
Yeah.
Shape-wise.
Yeah, shape.
So they do a raptor, Cobra and diamond stitch now. And they do it in a variety of colours. Black on black, blue stitch, red stitch, orange stitch, yellow stitch, I think. We'll put a link down in the description.
Do they do like purple or blue?
They do a blue.
Yeah.
But
probably not purple.
I wanted the Dad and Mad orange.
Also, why did Advanblack thank us?
I know. We should be thanking them, right?
What is it? I'm guessing that one's for you.
Get that foam out of the way for me.
That one's for you, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
That one.
Ooh. You know what? This seat has got... So it's on a plastic pan. Yeah?
Huh?
Plastic seat pan.
Yeah.
Foam.
Foam. Ooh.
Yeah?
Squishy.
And gel in there. And gel in here.
Wait, what do you mean by gel?
Your bit's got gel in as well.
What do you mean
So
by
it's
gel?
it makes it that one hasn't got gel in. That's just foam, I believe.
That's foam. But what's
here,
gel?
there's a square here and a square here.
What do you mean by gel?
Like a gel, like a blue gel.
Like a slimy.
For comfort and heat
like
dissipation. Yeah, basically, kind of. You put your finger in. Oh yeah.
So that you sit there.
This is designed, yeah, it's designed to help us both with comfort on long distances, heat dissipation, like stops you getting sores. It's going to be better than the standard seat, that's for certain. And look at it, look at that Cobra.
See, look, it has moved. He has warmed up. T-body.
And again, available in the Raptor and the Diamond Stitch, I think. And
wait, is Diamond Stitch like that, but like in diamond shapes? The clue's in the name.
It is, and in a variety of colours. It's got the space for the, you know, if you have the backrest, if you have the bracket underneath your seat for the backrest, for the rider, then it's still got that in there. But it's got that foam. It's got the foam. It's got the gel, and it matches that pad.
How does that like?
Well, that would sit there like that, wouldn't it? It's going to be like that roughly. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, but that, like, if I sit on that...
We'll fit it on the bike first.
Yeah, but if I sit on that, it's like, ooh.
But this will be higher.
It's comfy.
Do you know what I mean?
Ooh, nice.
Nice! Oh,
so...
These are $430.
430?
Yeah, and that is $330. Off the top of my head, I can't remember how much the Saddlebag liners are.
Probably less than these, though.
Oh yeah, less than the seat, I would imagine.
Less than the sheet and less than this, because not really as important as them.
Well, it's just not as much labour and material goes into the liners, eh?
Yeah, I guess.
Wow.
What can we say?
What can we say?
Thank you.
Thank you, Advanblack.
Wait, what's in the back? What's in the box?
This will be the hardware, right? Be the bracket for the back of the seat.
And a sticker.
For under here.
And a sticker.
And a sticker. We love a good sticker. Advanblack.
Thank you.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Advanblack, for hooking us up. We're going to get these fitted on the bike.
Right now.
Why not?
Ooh, cool.
Should we give it a go?
Yeah.
Let's do it. And should we also show people the reveal of your reaction to the tour pack?
Oh, yeah.
Let's do that. Let's drop that now. Open your eyes.
Whoa. That's cool.
That's yours.
Mm.
Do you want me to fold down the peg so you can have a sit on it? Climb aboard. Can you reach the pegs?
Just about.
With your boots on, you will. Cool.
It's comfy.
You like?
Yeah. I bet your feet will be comfy on that.
Yeah. And we should be able to fit 2 helmets in that box behind you as well.
Oh, cool. Wait, will one have to go on the top though?
No, 2 should fit in the box.
Ooh.
So the rack is for like a tent or whatever. Yeah?
Yeah.
Happy?
Cool.
Wicked. Looking forward to a ride?
Yeah.
Should we open
Wait, what about next Saturday we could ride?
I'll have to see.
If you're not at work.
Yeah, if I'm not at work, yeah. Okay, when you're ready, take a look.
Oh, looks cool.
What do you think?
Can I sit on it?
Yeah. Don't lean on the bag though. See, you got it? How's it feel?
Comfy.
Does it feel different to the other one?
Yeah.
How's it feel different?
It's like comfier. It's nicer.
You're not going to fall asleep on the back of the bike, are you?
No, if it's cold weather.
Is it cold in the garage? Okay. Do you want to do a little outro? Say goodbye to everyone.
So, just to remind you, this is
Dad.
And Mad, and this is the end of the video.
Thanks, Advanblack. Appreciate you.
Bye.
Ta-ra a bit.
Now that's done, I'm still. That was just. Oh, that was amazing. That was.